We all have ignored self love so much that we almost forgot how to make ourselves happy. We often try to make other people happy and tend to ignore our feelings and what we genuinely want from our life. Unless and until you don't understand the meaning of self love, you won't be able to do better in your life. Only a few people get the meaning of self love, and they are actually able to do what they love and genuinely care about in their life. Learn to cultivate self love in your life by prioritizing yourself and making time for yourself. When you do things that you don't enjoy, you almost lose confidence to do those things that are actually important to you. Many people get stuck in their routine life that they don't know that self love can actually make their life 10 times better. Make time for yourself and prioritize yourself and do self talk to find the purpose